To use Zelle from your Credit Karma spend account, start by opening the Credit Karma app on your mobile device. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Spend tab, which is where you manage your spending and transactions. In the Spend tab, locate the Send Money option, which allows you to send money to friends, family, or anyone with a U.S. bank account. Select this option to proceed with using Zelle. You will then be prompted to link Zelle to your Credit Karma spend account if you have not already done so. To link Zelle, you will need to accept the terms of service and provide some basic information, such as your name and email address. After linking Zelle, you can send money to anyone with a U.S. bank account using their email address or mobile phone number. Simply enter the recipient's information, the amount you want to send, and add a memo if needed. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the transaction. To receive money using Zelle from your Credit Karma spend account, the sender will need to have your email address or mobile phone number associated with Zelle. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification, and the funds will be deposited into your Credit Karma spend account. It is essential to note that Zelle transactions typically occur within minutes, and the service is available 24/7. However, it is crucial to only send money to people you know and trust, as Zelle transactions are usually irreversible. To get the most out of using Zelle from your Credit Karma spend account, make sure to keep your account information up to date and monitor your transactions regularly. This will help you stay on top of your finances and ensure a seamless experience with Zelle. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily send and receive money using Zelle from your Credit Karma spend account, making it a convenient and reliable way to manage your money.